Jam guys, you're welcome to my channel. This is the voice of El David Network. In today's video, I'll be showing you my second withdrawal on the Liquidix platform that I introduced to us a few days ago. So I'll be showing you the second withdrawal proof in real time on withdrawal. Alright, so this is the withdrawal page, and you can see how it is shown. The minimum withdrawal is $5. You just enter $5. Alright. So you paste in the USDT BIP20 address from any exchange. So let me go and grab it now. Go ahead and paste in. So once you paste in, you see that withdrawal fee is 10%. That's $0.5. That simply means I'll be receiving $4.5 in my exchange. Just go ahead and click on confirm. Alright, so I just click on the withdrawal, and this is my current home page. You can see it. The $5 has been deducted. Let's check our history. So when you click on history, you are going to see all the withdrawal that we have done. Alright, so remember I said I've done 2 withdrawals. So the first one was successful. You can see it's completed, while the second one is pending. So it will take some few hours for it to be released. Just wait. Immediately it is released, I will also complete the video.
So I actually waited for the $5 to be sent into my BitGet wallet, but I came to check my history and I saw that it failed. So I tried multiple times. Alright, so my assets continued to grow and it failed. That was when I now checked the, the official platform, and I saw that there was an upgrade. You can see it, new security layer for withdrawals on Liquidix. Dear liquidity community, your Liquidix account is your personal space to further strengthen the security of your fund and protect your withdrawal request. We have added a new security layer using Google Authenticator. So I didn't know that the platform was undergoing maintenance. So immediately I got this information, I just waited a while, then I tried again, and you can see now my asset has grown from $5 to $11. So I now withdrew $11 and I was charged 10%. So I received $9.9 in my wallet. So you can see it's completed, and this is the hash, and this is the total amount I've withdrawn on this platform, $16. So I've withdrawn twice. That's $5 and $11. So this is the total I've withdrawn on this platform, and you can see my dashboard, and you can see what I've been able to accumulate again after my withdrawal, just less than $1. So within 24 hours again, my JIT bot will continue to trade with my capital, and they'll be returning 0.40% on a daily basis. So this is how the project works. This is my second withdrawal, so you have to wait for my third withdrawal. And if you are new to this platform and you would like to join, remember this is not a financial advice. You can go to the description of this video to get my full video on how to get started. All right, see you in my next video.